Welcome students. In this video we are going to learn about an important concept of C++ programming, that is pointers. In simple terms, a pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable. Instead of holding a value directly, pointers hold the location where a value is stored. This makes them incredibly powerful for managing memory, passing data efficiently, and working with arrays and functions. Let's start with the declaration of a pointer. So to declare a pointer, first type the data type of that pointer. It means that what type of value address it will store. Then type the name of the pointer, prefixing it with a star. Then type the name of the pointer. In this time I am naming this ptr for pointer. Now declare another variable and we will store the memory address of that variable in this pointer variable. So declare a variable of type integer and name number and set this equal 10. Now store the memory address of this number in this pointer. So set this pointer variable is equal to number and place the address operator before this variable name, and this will store the address of number variable into the ptr pointer. Now this pointer is storing the address of this number variable. You can print the address of variable. For example, if you want to print the address of this number variable, you can see out address stored in pointer is the address stored in the pointer variable. Let's run the program and it will display the address of number variable. There is an error. Here semicolon is missing at the end of the line. Now run the program again. And you can see it displayed the address stored in the pointer is 0x61FE14, that is displayed in hexadecimal numbers, and memory address of any pointer will be displayed, any variable will be is in the form of hexadecimal number. You can create numbers of other data types, like you can create string data type variable name and set this equal Asif Khan, and you can store the address of this string variable in the string type of pointer. So create a pointer of type string and name this p name, indicating p in the start of this name is that this is a pointer for the storing the address of name variable. Now you can also print the address of name variable. So see out and here type the p name pointer and it will display the memory address of name variable. Run this program to check and you can see it displayed address of name variable is first is displayed the address of name variable, then it sorry, here type the new line. So both the addresses are displayed on new line. Now run the program and you can see now it displayed the address of name variable is 0x 8, and the address of stored in pointer is this is the address of uh, number variable, and this is the address of name variable. Similarly, you can get the value stored in the memory address of a pointer. For example, if I want to display the value stored in number variable using this pointer, for this we have to use the dereference operator. Dereference operator is a star. We can use the star before the name of a pointer variable, and it will dereference the pointer to the value. Now it will display the value stored at this memory address. Let's run the program. And you can see it displayed the value stored at this memory address is 10. This is the brief introduction of pointers in C++ programming. You can master the pointers, and this will open up the doors of advanced programming for you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also share with your programming fellows. If you have any question, ask below in the comment section. I will be happy to answer them. Thank you.